that.
Final seconds of round one. Beloria, no. Down goes the chin. Down goes the chin. Is down.
Cannot be saved by the bell. Remember, in California, the beautiful counter right hand. He's got to beat the count. And he will not beat the count. And that is a first-round knockout by Brian Beloria.
Oh, my goodness.
What an impressive showing at 108 coming down.
Noong September 2005, nang makasagupa ni Brian the Hawaiian Punch Beloria ang tigasing Mexican boxer na si Eric Ortiz. Ito nga po ay ang kanyang kauna-unahang world title belt na WBC Light Flyweight title na ginanap sa Staples Center, Los Angeles, California, USA. Pero bago yan mga brother, ay isa-share ko muna sa inyo ang konting kaalaman sa history ni Brian the Hawaiian Punch Beloria. Ito po ay American boxer na may dugong Pilipino. Parehong Pinoy ang magulang nito, ngunit ipinanganak sa USA. Dahil sa magaling din ito na boksingero, bilang isang may dugong Pilipino ay hinahangaan po ng karamihan ang galing ni Brian Beloria the Hawaiian Punch. Nagkamit ng parangal bilang the National Golden Gloves noong 1999 sa USA Championships at World Amateur Boxing Championships sa Texas. Sa record pa lang ay maituturing na warrior talaga ito kapag lumaban. Magaling din itong magpatama ng mabibigat na suntok at may mga counter punch din. Mapakanan man o kaliwa ay parehong may bigat ang mga suntok. Pag tinamaan ng kalaban ay siguradong may kalalagyan. Isa din po si Beloria sa may pinakamadaming laban na Pinoy. Bilang isang amateur na may total fight na 200 wins na may 8 talo. Kasama na din po sa listahan ng magkapatid na si Glenn Donaire at Nonito Donaire na kanyang nakasagupa sa kanyang record sa amateur quarterfinals. Di naman maitatanggi mga brother ang kanyang parangal sa amateur dahil limpak-limpak na gintong medalya ang naiuwi nito at pagbitbit ng lahing dugong Pilipino. Kaya pagpasok po niya sa pro ay nagtala po ito ng 17 sunod-sunod na panalo. At sa pang-18 nga po ay dito niya nakuha ang unang titulo, ang WBC Junior Flyweight title laban sa Meksikano na si Eric Ortiz. Ang laban na ito ay hindi tumagal mga brother dahil tinapos agad ni Brian Beloria ang bakbakan nila sa huling minuto sa unang round gamit ang magkakasunod na power right hook.
Oh, the crowd is just seeing it on the monitor up ahead, and they just every time they were acting the same. Oh, here it is. Never saw it.
No controversy.
Sa pagpasok pa lang ni Beloria ay halatang madaming Pinoy ang sumusuporta sa ating pambato. Kita sa mga audience ang hiyawan ng mga tao. Kitang-kita din ang magandang kondisyon ng ating kababayan.
He holds a perfect professional record.
Interesting referee tonight. Junior's in there. Raul Cos Jr.
He's a good referee.
Yes, just coming up the ladder right now, though.
Nepotism involved, apparently. I'm interested to see.
He's going to have his hands full. I got a feeling he's going to have his hands full.
Listo.
Beloria pacing.
Listo. Ready?
They're ready to go. And here we go.
Sa unang round pa lang ay nagpasiklab na agad ang ating kababayan gamit ang mga solidong kombinasyon.
So you would think he would have that, and if he has the strength and the speed, could be a tough night for Ortiz.
I watched Ortiz at the final press conference and heard some of the questions being asked through interpreters. He's very poised, very confident, a lot of experience. Good little combination for Beloria. Now he just steps up the pace.
There was a cute little right uppercut inside that caused the most damage.
Looking very crisp with his punches, very composed.
As Rich mentioned, an Olympian, lost in the second round of the champion from France, Brahim Asloum, in 2000. 4-year pro with Viloria. Proudly mentioned at all the press conferences that both his parents are from the Philippines, although he was born in Hawaii. Started punching. And now the crowd is solidly behind the Mexican champion.
The Hawaiian punch definitely gets a lot of Filipino love.
Yeah, they've got the flags in here.
The flags are waving.
Yeah, this is an evenly split crowd for this fight.
Early on, his training method is very interesting. He would punch banana trees to strengthen his hand, he said, starting at age 6.
That's some barbaric medieval sort of thing there.
Well, Rocky, you know, punched the cowhide.
Yeah. Slab the meat.
I did an amateur telecast in 1999 here in the United States, which was a USA versus Puerto Rico match, a team match. And we named as the fighter of the night. Brian Viloria was on the American team.
Oh.
He was so impressive. And we named one fighter of the night from the United States and one from Puerto Rico. Viloria was the fighter of the night from the United States. Miguel Cotto, if you can believe it, was.
Bago pa matapos ang 10 segundo ay nagpakawala si Viloria ng dalawang right hook na siyang dahilan upang bumagsak ang kalaban.
He still does that.
Nakatayo naman ang kalaban sa ikapitong bilang ng referee, ngunit bumagsak ulit ito sa sobrang hilo at tuluyan ang tinapos ng referee ang laban.
And he will not beat the count, and that is a first-round knockout by Brian Viloria.
Goodness!
What an impressive showing at 108 coming down.
I was just settling in for a long night.
You know, he was so composed, and he came in with his combination so crisp.
He is the champion of the world.
Even Freddie Roach can't believe it. He's gone back to the corner on his own, Freddie, with a huge smile on his face.
Like a first-round beautiful knockout. I don't think Viloria can believe it. No one saw that coming. We thought this was going to be the most competitive fight of the night, guys.
That was the scuttlebutt beforehand, an evenly matched fight, and it was an even first round. But that was one scorching right hand. Round was coming to an end just a few seconds. There it is, the right hand. Ortiz never saw it. Never saw it. He was out. He made a gallant effort to get up.
Look, he's doing the hula now.
There goes the hula. It's the second right hand.
Yeah, he staggered him a little with that one, and Ortiz felt it. But he never saw this one.
3 right hands in a row connected, and it was the same sort of a right hook, overhand right sort of punch.
Oh, the crowd is just seeing it on the monitor up ahead, and they just, every time they were acting the same. Oh, here it is. Never saw it.
No controversy here,
Look at
guys.
his leg full completely underneath him.
Oh.
And Raul Caiz, to his credit, I like the fact that a referee will not call. If I give the guy a count, give him an opportunity to get up. Many referees are stopping fights when a man goes. New WBC Junior Flyweight Champion of the World, the Hawaiian Punch, Brian Viloria.
Hanggang dito na lang tayo mga brother. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito ay pakisuporta naman po sa pag-hit ng like, subscribe at pati na din ang notification bell button para palagi kang updated sa mga bago pa nating video.
WBC Junior Flyweight Champion of the World, the Hawaiian Punch, Brian Viloria.